Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on what time it is with you there. Today, I will be teaching you a little bit more about how the shipping works in your All Boogie store. It's come up lots in our seller support inbox, and I'm going to dedicate a video right now to just telling you a little bit more detail about how the shipping functions work within our store. So, first thing we do is, of course, the trusty login process, which will take us to our dashboard. And we scroll down to settings. And then we navigate down to shipping, not ship station, it is just shipping. And up will come the shipping dashboard. Now, the only zone that we're working with at the moment is the UK. In the future, this may change, but currently you can only buy from and send to UK addresses. And you'll find that there are no methods. You need to add in all your methods. So it will start with no methods found. You can either hit edit there or here, either which. I'm going to hit edit there, and up pops the shipping method page, which is essentially a list of all the ways in which you can send your products to your customers. So to add our first shipping method, click on add shipping method, and up comes three different types. Now we've got flat rate, local pickup, or free shipping. This is pretty self-explanatory. However, I will just go through them one by one. Flat rate is where you will charge X amount for sending an item out. That will include things like standard shipping, first class shipping, priority signed for, guaranteed, things like that. So anything with a fixed price. Local pickup is where you might allow your customers to come and pick things up from you, and that can either be for free or at a charge for meeting them. And then free shipping, self-explanatory, is free shipping. But there are some conditions that you can apply to that. So I'm going to start with flat rate. So at my store, I'm going to say that I offer a standard and a first class shipping method. Both of those will come under the flat rate. So I'll hit flat rate, add shipping method, and you'll see that a flat rate pops in there. Now you can edit this again, and then you've got the title here. So I'm going to call this standard shipping. This is the bit that your customers will see at the checkout. And I'm going to say that standard shipping costs £4. All right, standard shipping costs. So you can add a description for each one as well. And there are some more boxes down here, but I'll go into those in a little detail. All right, so firstly, I'm just going to add standard shipping at a cost of £4. Save that. There we go. There's your standard shipping. I'm going to hit another one, another flat rate that I'm going to add as like a first class, if you like, or next day, you know, first class. And that's going to be £7. I'm going to save that. Great, so there's our two pretty standard different shipping methods. I'm also going to add free shipping, but I'm not going to add local pickup. I don't want to meet my customers. So yeah, here we go. I haven't edited those descriptions. So just to keep things nice and neat, first class shipping, a little description. And then free shipping. Charge a rate for shipping. Okay, sorry, it's not letting me hit that. Oh yeah, it doesn't let you change the description for free shipping, but it doesn't get shown to the customer anyway. So, right. So I was going to go back and go over some of those other options actually. Sorry, standard and first class. If you hit standard or any of the flat rate shipping methods, when you scroll down, you have these other boxes at the bottom here. Now, these aren't set by you. This is set by All Boogie, but it does allow you to add a surplus fee, anything that has the heavy items shipping class attached to it. Now, that's chosen when you're editing each product. So let's just say you had you sold t-shirts, but you also sold bowling balls. Now, bowling balls clearly aren't going to cost the same amount as a t-shirt to send out. So we've created a system whereby you can attach a shipping class to a product, and that will allow you to add a surplus amount of money to the shipping. So let's say it's gone, this is our standard shipping, so it's £4. But if it's got the shipping, the heavy items shipping class attached to it, which I'll show you in a second, we want to add an extra £15. Now, just to give you some a point of reference for that, because that may or may not have made sense, I'm going to take you to the product page, where I can show you right now. You're probably familiar with this page already. Test product, test heavy product. And it's a say it's an accessory bowling ball. Here's a bowling ball. Show shipping classes. Create that product, please. Right, now on this edit product page, if you scroll down, you can see the shipping class drop down here, where you can put it into heavy items if you like. If you say no shipping class, as you can see, there's a £0 add-on. But if you hit heavy items and go to save product, what that's done is added the heavy item shipping class to this item, which, by the way, is still pending review. But there you go. There it is. The test heavy product still under review. But when that gets put into the cart, if the customer chooses standard shipping, it will cost £4 for standard shipping and £10 extra, or the heavy items extra. I think it was £10 we set. Bear with me while we go back to the shipping. £4 and then £15 extra, sorry. So it will cost £4 for standard shipping and then an extra 15 because it's heavy. So it will cost £19 to send standard. Equally, we would want to add in a surcharge for heavy items if they're going first class. And that might cost £17 because it's slightly heavier. So in this case, if you were to send that heavy item first class, it will cost £7 plus the 17 for being in that shipping class, which is £24 for delivery. Now, if we had an item that was not in the heavy items class, so if we had added that test item there and not entered the heavy items, not attached the heavy items shipping class to it, that item would only cost £4 for standard and £7 for shipping. I hope that makes sense. If not, try it again, watch this video again, and it should do. Once it's clicked, it does go in, but it does take a little while to get your head around it, especially when you've got multiple products. But if you just make a start, keep going. If you run into any problems, please, by all means, email us at sellersupport@allboogie.co.uk. Otherwise, I hope that was clear. And then finally, I'm going to go on to free shipping here. and you can actually set a minimum spend to give free shipping if you want, if you do offer shipping. So you might say that it's free as long as you spend over, £30 with us or something. All right. That brings us to the end of this video. I'm going to do another one called advanced shipping costs, and that includes the use of some formulae, which is what all this text is about here, but I'm not going to go over that in this video. If you do want to watch that video, please look up advanced shipping method tutorial, and I'll go over it there. All right. So anyway, I hope this video has been useful, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.